Sometimes a business needs to mark down their product to actually make a sale. So I'm just making up an example here of something that has a sales price of $10,000. Okay, this could be a used boat or something. So it sits on the lot for a while, and then they decide to mark it down. And it sits on the lot just a little bit longer, and they decide to mark it down again. The market takes a change, although nobody is really taking them up on their discounted boat. They decide to mark it up by 5%. So what is the final sales price? Well, I know that the calculation can be fairly complicated if you take 20% of 10,000 and then subtract it from 10,000. It's much easier just to go $10,000 times 0.80. And then what you do is you take that amount times that by 0.90, take that amount times it by 1.05, which is 5% markup, or 100% of the previous price plus 5%. And this amount is 7,560, which is the final markdown. So to find the markdown percentage, we take the original amount of 10,000, subtract the 7,560, and divide that by 10,000 to get the percent markdown. So this is equal to $2,440 divided by 10,000, and this will yield our percent markdown of 24.4%. So this is how a percentage of markdown is calculated, and this is on top of a multiple markdown problem and calculating the overall markdown from one period to the next.